Okay, I want to show you the overview for the investigative essay sequence and then show you what the topic proposal is. So this should be pretty short. Before I do that, I just want to show you a quick trick because I tend to speak kind of slow. And just know I have this pulled up to a YouTube video of comedy passive-aggressive yoga instructor. But right down here, you can see there's closed captioning, which I've tried and I think it works pretty well. And more important, and so that will show you what I'm saying typed out. And right here, under the settings, know that you can play me back at a higher speed. So I tried one of my previous videos on 1 1/4, and I think that was preferable. All right. So this overview of investigative essay sequence I updated today because I canceled class Monday. So I'm going to go over the reference source comparison in the next video, and today, right now, I'm going to go over the topic proposal. This is due Friday, and it's just the assignment is what this says, and it's just asking you to consider our in-class brainstorm, and in the actual assignment I included our Pew research surveys and CQ researcher surveys, and some of our conversations about possible topics. And then I'm having you do some additional research on Gale virtual reference, which will be in the next video. But you can also go on the library webpage, connecting through the VPN server, and look at these databases to do a little extra research. You can Google it too, but Nexus Uni indexes a lot of newspapers. ProQuest does as well, and I also added EBSCO Academic Search Complete. We'll be going over those next week, but if you want to get a head start, go ahead and check them out. All this topic proposal is a paragraph telling me what you're going to investigate, but it should show that you've done a bit of additional research, like that video from North Carolina State said picking a topic is research. So it should outline your topic a little bit, indicate you've done some research, talk about what's controversial or debatable, and possibly give a little background information. Oftentimes, topic proposals can be developed into an introduction. So that's it. Looking at the home page, you'll see it right here, due May 8th, and clicking on it, you'll see that it's just worth a couple homeworks. And I also just add, you're welcome to email me questions and I'll try and help you develop or brainstorm your ideas. And again, it's just an initial proposal, but I want to make sure you're on the right track.